Hi everybody, Peg here for Gina B. Aaron's design team. So today I am using some of Gina's new Atomic collection. If you haven't seen this, go check her Etsy store. She has a wonderful new collection of rubber stamps. They're called the Atomic collection. There are 5 different stamp sets in this collection, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It reminds me of the Jetsons and things out of my youth, and I'm just going to have a play with this. I like the fact that she has a solid background stamp in this particular set, so I'm just playing with it, trying to get a little texture and, just pressing this chalk ink onto my page. I love inks and I love working with inks, and chalk inks are a real quick, easy way of getting some color down on your page. So I'm just going to use that in my background along with these exceptional designs from Gina, and have a play day in my journal. I'm working in one of those Dylusion small journals. I think you can get these for about $5. I know they have them for more, but if you look around for coupons and things, you can find them. And it's a wonderful little size to work in. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. And to me, it's just the right size for these stamps and stencils. I have this wonderful stencil of a girl from Gina. I don't know if she meant it to be this way or not, but it looks to me like there's a dragonfly or butterfly or something flitting past her face. So yeah, I'm gonna emphasize that. But I'm using some more of those chalk inks on the stenciled images, and then I'm going to grab some Neocolor, and I'm going to color in and just, make her incorporated into the page and become the focal image there. I have some cutouts from a magazine that I want to use on my page, and you'll see that in just a little bit. I also have some Tim Holtz sticker word things. She has a number of different books with sayings and quotes in them, and I found some things that I thought were appropriate to what I wanted to say on this page. So that's what I'm going to use here. So I use the Neocolor too, but I also use a little bit of gesso on my water brush to blend those out to make them more permanent on the page. Neocolor are wonderful blendy crayon, but they are water soluble. So in order to make them stick to your page, you're going to want to use something to seal it down, whether it's gesso or matte medium or something to incorporate it into the page so it isn't going to move later with water. So I have my Deco Art Media gesso in a water brush. I think this one is one from Pentel. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit of gesso to go over the Neocolors that I'm putting in her hair and face and get the coloration down. So once I've done that, I'm looking at the page and I'm thinking, this page needs some blingy bling, needs something to bring it out. It's a new year. I want to sparkle and shine. So after I get done with my pen work and my Neocolors and all of that, I grab this other product, which is Frosty Sparkle Kiss from Creative Expressions, which is a UK company, but I know they have it online in Amazon, so if you're interested in that, I'll try to remember to put the information in the description box below. But I have this star stencil from Gina, which I really like, and I'm just going to, because this Glitter Kiss has the sparkle and shine that I'm looking for this page, I'm just going to use this star stencil, and this comes with a little applicator in the top of it. Okay, so I'm looking at this green. It's really the wrong color green for this page, so I decided to go with the sparkle. And I'm going to make my stars sparkle just by picking that up with the applicator that comes with it and swiping it through that star stencil onto my background. Easy peasy, right? So once I've done that, then I'm going to get my cutouts. And the piece that I found in the magazine says Live Out Loud. And yeah, that's one of the things I want to do. I want to be my own person. I want to live my own life. So I have that, and then the sayings on those other word strips say, replace fear of the unknown with curiosity. And yes, what a great uplifting thing to remind myself of at this time of year is to be curious, to live out loud, to not have those fears of the unknown, and to just go for it. I mean, that's pretty much what I've done with this page, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you watch the other design team members as they release things throughout the month. We will be having videos throughout the month from design team members for Gina. So be sure and check out all of those videos. You can use the hashtag Gina B. Ahrens Designs to find more content from Gina and the design team. And check out Gina's Etsy store. The link will be down below in the description box. Remember that you can get a 15% discount by using the discount code PEG15 when you do your shopping. And I want to thank you for having been here today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and remember, you guys make a difference, and be kind to one another, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.